Alright guys, I'm so sorry. I turned my phone the wrong way, but as I said, I was trying to get a little shots without people knowing that I was videoing because people get crazy. So I know Zara is gonna be eating my head off. She's gonna be yamming my head off because my always a customer and says, Zara, turn the camera sideways. Zara, turn the camera sideways. So I know she's gonna eat my head off about this, but I'm so sorry. But I was trying to not be obvious that I was videoing, so I turned the camera the how I normally hold it when I'm walking. So it's turned the wrong way. Oh my god, next time I will be sure to turn it the correct way though. I'm just gonna have to get used to people seeing me video them. If they want to be in the video, they just be in it. If they don't want to, then they just hide their face. But okay, this is a trial and error, I guess. I learned from this mistake. Yes, Zara, I know. So please guys forgive me, but just continue watching. Hello everybody, I'm back in Jamaica. I know it's been a while. I've been back about a month now, but I've been so busy with school and all that lovely stuff. But I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you know that I'm home and I'm good. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. Zara is supposed to be uploading videos. Hello, Zara. Hi, Zara. I don't know what's going on with the videos. We're waiting. Can you comment down below and tell Zara that we're waiting on our videos to be uploaded? I'm choking. Yeah, well, guys, I've been back. I'm going on the road now to get a little stuff in the market. Today is Saturday. It's October 5th. Yes, it's been like a month or so. It's October 5th now, so I'm just going in the market to pick up a little stuff for my home. That's about it. So I'm going to take you guys along my journey, a little sneak peek. I think there's something stuck in my throat, but yeah. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm going to try to video because we Jamaican people were very aggressive and we don't like when people video us without us knowing. So I'm going to try my best to get some videos. Hopefully that works well. So if you see the camera like shaking up and all over the place, it's because I'm trying to video without people knowing that I'm videoing. Because people go crazy on you if they find out that you're videoing them, which I'm not really videoing them. I'm just videoing the scene. But yeah, that's how we are. We don't like to be videoed. So I'm going to try my best, guys. So please excuse me if you see the video like shaking and all that lovely stuff. Well, that's not lovely, but you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm gonna go through the door now and I'm gonna take a taxi and I'm gonna go into town. So yeah, let me just give you guys a preview of where I live. So this is where I live. Don't mind my yard, it needs to cut. It's been raining like forever. It's been raining like every single day here since I've gotten back, which I love because it's really hot in Jamaica. So this is where I live. All the houses look alike. Yes, I guess we're triplets, quadruplets, all those all those stuff, that's us. But yeah, this is where I live. And yeah, so I'm gonna go into the town now.
Yeah. All is well.
I
know, say, I mean, you can't see from going yesterday.
Yeah.
I say, and I evening, I say, I mean, must carry this up on me.
What's
going on?
I can show this one big one.
One single one.
Alright, I'll eat this.
Alright. Thank you very much, man. You never have no family. We go foreign and come back and really cater for me. Another way, no family at all, another brother and sister.
Okay.
We appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
One at a time, I'll fix up something out of farm to you still. So we'll deal with me still.
Alright, man.
Next time, in the next month, in November, we tell you when to come, man. Yeah, son?
Yeah, man. That good, man.
Thing, man. Yeah, man.
Alright, take care. Yeah.
Yes, good girl.
Hey. Oh, you have lettuce. I'm looking for lettuce. What's your lettuce?
500 a pound, 150 a bag.
No, not a bag. No, the fatter bag. See, there's something on my new drop. Here. You want the one? Okay, in this way now.
Me are idiot.
One like shot, like nobody bar money and buy no. The wife's 100. 100 wives. That's how she behave. Wife's 100. It's a mad girl, that one.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
Which one I want to babysit?
Eh? They say a mad girl. Look how when you don't know that's a mad girl. Hey, that the girl is mad something in mad. Anyone you want. Thanks. Alright, Miss Chen. You have the right thing for you, you know. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
I got her.
See that one there, she love.
You're gonna see me visit a couple stores. 90% of the stores that I'm gonna be visiting, guys, are Chinese owned. So when people say that Chinese are taking over Jamaica, it's no joke. Like 90 or 95% of the stores that I go in, it's Chinese owned. The only store that I went in on that day that wasn't Chinese owned was the meat shop. That's it. Only the meat shop. So yeah, Chinese are taking over Jamaica. No joke. Can I get 2 pound mixed parts? 2 pound mixed parts.
Yeah. The better pack curry? Yes. Yeah, the better pack curry? Yes. No one pack. Better pack curry. One better pack curry. And Sharon? 885. You put the better pack curry starter. 915. Good. I want here. Give me back after the egg after the France. Next part, I get after the board. 17:30. Chicken breast, 240. Mr. James. No saltfish. No saltfish. Mr. James. Not no road here, so the shop full. Walk. Hurry up. Yeah, run from it. That's it. I'm not going to be I'm going to go with 2 up.
You get 2 pound mixed bats and 2 pound turkey neck. 2 mixed and 2 turkey neck.
2 mixed part?
And 2 turkey neck.
Yeah, share, come up. Half pound of bongo.
Oh, make some browning.
Yeah. Half pound of bongo with my coat ginger. Two pound and cut. More small red peas now, Miss Dale. I know me that. I 2 pound and cut. Yeah. 1 pound and put in. No, 1 pound and a half. Hey. 1 and a half pound. You say 2 pound, you know? Yeah, half pound and a half chicken food. Yes, the 2 pound and cut. No, you want 1 2 pound and a pound and a half. 1 2 pound and cut and pound and a half of chicken food. More money. You be 2 pound and cut.
Yeah, the leg water.
Yeah.
Can you get those egg too? Those egg and a browning. All right, so I'm basically showing you that this is a system, a new system that the Chinese supermarkets are coming in with. So this is the first one I've seen in this supermarket and in all supermarkets around my area, where you basically get a locker room and you push the red button to open a locker to put your stuff, and you also get a piece of paper with a barcode. So when you come back with that barcode, you just hold it onto the red light. I was having trouble remembering which one of the light to hold it on, and then it basically reads the barcode and pops your locker open. So I kind of like the idea because sometimes I have some valuable stuff, and when I give it to the baggage people, I'm like, I wonder if them in there got through my stuff. I wonder if them are thief out my things, because that's the way we think in Jamaica. Well, at least me. So I kind of like the idea, even though it's of a disadvantage because you know some people are going to be out of work, but it's 50-50.
In front, I'm going.
Transporter? Not today.
No, it's your mama. It's your mama.
Nah, nothing. $5 me I can give. I'm gonna see if I find anything else.
Oh, blessing you. Yeah, look at that.
Over, yeah? What's your name in here? Yo! Yo! Yeah, man! Yeah, over! Over here, so you not in the car them yet. Is this a over? Yeah, hear me. Is this a over?
Rock me till I want no more.
Watch out.
Sweet reggae music.
Watch him go there. Jesus Christ have mercy. Should I get her?
Aim around. Aim around.
But I'm not supposed to never hear, sir.
Then that man tell you.
Ooh, let's dance. Romance.
See me, I'm dead. See me, I'm straight. I that know that. See me, I'm friend.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I'm trying to see the man. Any man at all. Come on, me yard. I'm see the man. I see them coming from shift for work.
Stay there. When you watch a woman like that,
Nah, tell them, man. Nah, fight her door now.
yeah, just watch out.
I'm not kill, I'm not war. This is it.
Yeah.
Come here, my idea say. I'm not going to burn her, she don't want to give me a shot, she want me and then. The beer, I'm coming and